I'll guide you through using the best official methods for true split screen on your iPhone without using any unverified third-party apps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Since Apple does not currently offer a native true split screen feature on the iPhone, we have to use two powerful built-in iOS features, Picture-in-Picture for videos and fast app switching for quick access to a second app. First, start by enabling the features. Go to your settings. Tap General, then select Picture-in-Picture to ensure Start PIP automatically is toggled on. Now start the first app, like Safari, to keep your primary content on screen. For video multitasking, open a video within Safari or a supported app like YouTube to begin the Picture-in-Picture mode. Tap the PIP icon on the video player or simply swipe up to make it flow in a small window over your home screen. Next, open your second app, like Messages, to work simultaneously with the video playing. You can drag and resize the floating video box to move it anywhere on the screen. For non-video tasks, use app switching by quickly swiping up from the bottom to see your running apps. For maximum speed, swipe left and right across the bottom dock area to instantly jump between the two most recently used apps. Note that official iOS Split View is a dedicated iPad-only feature to load two full apps side by side. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.